So much light. I'm gonna make my bed. Done. Let me get dressed. No, for you and you. Done. Yay! Okay, maybe I should go get my breakfast. Hope you enjoy your breakfast in school. Love you, sweetie pie. Bye. Your bags are on your hook. Or on the hooks. Have a fun day at school. Bye. Let me go check my bag. What one? Oh, this is so hard to choose. Mom, what one do you think I should wear? I mean, not wear, take. Maybe you should take the big one. I'll get it down for you. And plus you have to put all your lunch and stuff in it. Oh, okay. Take it over to the pantry. Okay, so I need to put in my schedule, my cell phone, and my water bottle. So, my schedule, my water bottle, fit, and my cell phone, so I need to ring my parents in case if anything happens to me when I walk home. Okay. Well, see you when I get home from school.